Prevent. Now it is a trip.
Yeah, it's
Restart.
already a trip. Yeah.
Restart.
So the consequence is not this one, right? Because it's already a trip. Yeah.
Yeah, now to restart. I said to restart.
No, no, the consequence of
The
inaction.
consequence is production loss.
Yeah.
So we have taken process. It is ESD. This is A, we have agreed. This is a low. This is a immediate response time is very less. This is a P2. This is HMA. This is no grouping is required. Okay. Now LSAL, where is this LSN? In the same white line, white side.
Yeah, that's the same. 1903. This is oil side.
Yeah, this is the same. We will say valid. We will say malfunction. What is the LCV number?
It's the same, just
same LCV number.
so
Malfunction
just
full
mention
open.
close. Open here, open.
Malfunction full open, yeah. Malfunction fully open.
Yeah.
And leading to what will happen? Then gas blow by. Here gas blow by will happen. Correct?
Yeah.
Even if your entire oil is gone there, so gas blow by, right?
Yeah.
We'll see here.
Have we considered this gas blow by for the stripper?
Yeah.
We consider that.
Yeah.
It is not a black hole, so we didn't consider it.
Okay, because we did a calculation.
Based on the analysis.
0.3.
The height, right?
Yeah. Before gas blow by, the pH already shut off the system.
So let's just say not gas blow by. Yeah.
I think leading to trip. Leading to trip.
Yeah, leading to trip. Yes. Leading to trip.
Yeah. Investigate the low water level. This is low level in the second separator. Take action to prevent trip. This is correct. Because this is alarm. And what is the response time?
Low to low.
Yeah.
2 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Around 2 minutes.
Yeah. So immediate 0 to 5.